So some of you asked for more than 3-digit multiplication. Here you go. So here are the steps for 4-digit multiplication. Step 1, you multiply the first two. Step 2, you multiply these two and you add. Step 3, you multiply these two, these two and you add. Step 4, be careful what you're multiplying. You multiply the extremes first, then the means, and then you add. Here add. Step 5, you start going ulta. You multiply the last three and add. So in step 3 you multiply the first three and you add it. Step 5 you multiply the last three and add. Step 6 you multiply these two and add. Step 7 you multiply the first two digits. Okay, here suppose you need to add. So let's try it on an example. 1 2 3 1 multiplied by 2 0 1 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Then step 2 you multiply these two. 3 into 3 9 plus 1 into 1 is 10. 0 with a carry 1. Then you multiply the first three. So 3 into 2 6. 6 0 plus 3 9 plus this carry 1 10. Again 0 with a carry 1. Okay, step 4 you multiply the extremes. 3 into 1 and 2 into 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, and then you multiply 2 into 1. It is becoming really messy, so I'll not put more lines here. So you had 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. This is 0 plus this 1 8. Okay, then the next step you multiply the first three. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is 0, so 7. Then you multiply the first two. 1 into 0 0. 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 0 is 4, and then you multiply the first two, which is 2. So let's see what we did is correct. We'll use the conventional approach. I recommend you never to use this because you can easily extend it to more number of digits and you can do everything in one line. So how would you do this? You multiply 1 2 3 1 with 3, so you have 3 6 9 3. Then you multiply 1 2 3 1 with 1, you have 1 2 3 1. You multiply 1 2 3 1 with 0, which is 0. Then you multiply 1 2 3 1 with 2, so you have 2 4. Let's 2 4 6 2. You add them, so you have 3 9 plus 1 10 with a 0 with a carry 1. Again 10 0 with a carry 1. You have 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 6 plus 1 7, and 2 4 2 4 7 8 0 3. So this verifies the quick way of multiplying numbers. You can easily extend it to more number of digits, and also let's say you want to multiply a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number. So in that case, you just, let's say you want to multiply 1 2 3 1 with the number 19. So in this case you use the 4-digit approach and you put 2 zeros and multiply. Now to extend it to more number of digits, let's say for 5-digit multiplication, here you have 9 steps. Now how do you get 9 steps? You multiply 2 into the number of digits 5 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Here you have 2. For 4-digit multiplication you have 2 into 4 8 minus 1 equal to 7, hence you have 7 steps here. So here for 5-digit multiplication you have 9 steps. Let me list down the 9 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so step 1 you multiply the first two. Step 2 you multiply these two and add. Step 3 you multiply the first 3 and you add. Step 4 you multiply the first 4 and add. Step 5 you multiply the extremes first. Multiply this, you multiply this and you add. Of course here you need to add. So wherever you see two lines crossing you need to add. Then you start going ulta. You multiply the first 4 instead of the last 4 here. You multiply these two, these two, these two and you add. Step 7 you multiply the first 3 and add. Step 8 you multiply these two and add. Step 9 you multiply the first two. This wraps up 5-digit multiplication. You can easily extend it to more number of digits. More videos coming soon. Keep watching. Thanks.